Today I'm going to demonstrate how to prepare the eyeball. Now this is a layered shot, so you're going to want to get your shot glass ready. And you're going to place some grenadine on the bottom, just like this. Not all the way up, that's enough. Next, you're going to take your bar spoon and your Irish cream. You're going to place your bar spoon, normally piercing the grenadine, but in this case just touching the side of the glass. So you can just pour down and it's going to float right up the side, and you're going to go 2 parts on this. So you want to leave 1/4 of a glass left. After which, you're going to do the exact same thing with the blue curacao. So piercing the Irish cream, pouring the blue curacao directly on top. And there you have the eyeball. A nice 3-layered shot with your grenadine, which is your cherry pomegranate flavor, your Irish cream, which has a vanilla chocolate cream flavor, and then your curacao, which has an orange flavor. Enjoy.